Go to Entry menu list. Select Upload Bhavcopy. Select required Bhavcopy date. Select investments type like equity, F&O, mutual funds, MCX. Select the exchange segments. Click on Download from Server. Search the URL. Click on Equity link. Download the file as above link. Wait till it gets uploaded. Your file will get uploaded successfully. Search the URL. Select the Bhavcopy file and click on Download. Search the URL. Select F&O Bhavcopy and click on Download. Go to Entry menu. Select Upload Bhavcopy. Select Bhavcopy date. Select the investments type like equity, F&O, mutual funds, MCX. Select the exchange segment. Select the manual upload. Click on Upload. Your file is uploaded successfully. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.